What's up everybody? Guys, today is going to be a very quick video where I'm going to update you with the cryptocurrency levels and you might make a lot of money there. And right here you can see bullish market structure. That means you see we're doing higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. I assume it's going to be here. So that's the strongest block, and Bitcoin wants to take liquidity from here, close the CME gap and just start trading in that block. I personally don't want to trade BTC because it's, for me, indicator of altcoins. Let me explain you exactly. Right here you can see, let me show you actually how I trade. When I see that, I call it chupa chups, because you see all those longs, it's a retail. Maybe some of you guys were going into that trap and we're trying to long it. Oh yeah, we're going up. No, you're not. And you see they all got flushed. Right now everyone was thinking, oh, I'm going short. No, you're gonna get flushed. And right now I see again the same thing. So to me it looks like gonna be lower low right here in that box. It's 111 BTC, by the way, orders here in stacked imbalance, that's it's called. And here you can see BTC, my expected level is that, and I'm expecting that other altcoins will go there. Why? You can see a lot of liquidity here, a lot of longs. Look at that, that's the volume. And all these longs, most of them are having stops right here. So when it's gonna get flushed, it will flush through that liquidity, and I assume it's gonna be closing that gap, and this is where we are going to turn from. Somewhere around that spot. That's to be more precise. Here we have 600 Bitcoins long. Let me show you. Resting order at 66,000. I expect it to get filled, maybe hold the market. We'll see. Let's talk about shitcoins. Ethereum is super sketchy. I'm not going to long it, even though I want, and I said before, but right now I just checked liquidity again here. And if we are going to see how many longs are there, imagine it's like 25,000 longs, 26, even more, and you don't see all of them here. They're just longing, they're longing from here, they're long from here, they're still moving their stop loss further, and they're gonna lose all their money. Well, so I don't want to play this game. To me it's super sketchy because Ethereum can flush hardcore. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. And the altcoin season for me will start when Bitcoin goes a lot lower, and all these altcoins will need to take liquidity a lot lower. If it takes like that, and a lot of shorts are getting trapped. By trapped, I mean, like I showed you, chupa chups on the bottom. This is where I'm long from, and that's gonna be reversal. And if I buy and if I long something here, probably I will exit here with a lot of money. Still, look at that. It's almost 30% drop right there. So for Ethereum, you can put 40% as like the safe haven. Solana. For Solana, I have it for a while, and right now it looks like it's gonna do that. Super easy trade, but for spot only, because you know all this liquidity, all this liquidity, all this liquidity, this liquidity, all these cascades, they will be taken. I mean, maybe not exactly all of them, but this thing can flush crazy like ultimate shitcoin. I mean, they're making shitcoins on that. That's a father of shitcoins. Usual, only spot. It shows good signs of life. You see, it's just taking liquidity here. It's trading well in a Fibonacci right now, and it's not going there. Usual has a lot of big investors, and they're just not allowing it to go lower. And here we can see even some bull diffs, a little bit hidden. But yeah, that's a good place to start longing it from. Plume, my favorite coin right now. Look at that. No matter what is happening, no matter how hard they're trying to sell it off, price is still holding here. To me, that's the buy, and I have a long for X3 until 0. I don't care, but I have a long and I have almost 3 million Plume. So I'm hoping for $5. Kaito. Honestly, I have no idea what this coin is, but it looks fantastic with all this liquidity, with a strong order block here. It doesn't look small. I mean, it doesn't look big and efficient, but in fact, you can see a lot of liquidity was there. It's actually a point of control here. So This is the level, like almost like 120 to 90 cents. STRK, that's my plan, only spot. Since coin is looking for, it's in the price discovery mode, it's looking for its bottom. I want to catch this bottom, so I'm only adding to the spot. Arkham is epic. Right now it's at the bottom and it's like buying XRP. Trust me, this thing will show you later. It's a blockchain police. This is actually the project that is showing us how money were lost on the Bybit, where all Ethereum went and what happened to that. Arkham is useful. For hype, I don't want to go into that because that's a lot of liquidity. Actually, all longs were going from here and people were scared to put it. You see, there is no flushes, so that means they still have some stops here. Maybe they're even moving in. I don't want to go there. Yeah, it's kind of safe to long it from, I don't know, from $10. Yeah, I guess you can. From 10 you might go to 14 or 15 and then you will dump back. Virtual epic coin. This is the one of the best coins that you can long, because you can see it follows all the rules, like dump from 20% like to the 63 level, maybe even 60, taking all this liquidity right into that place. Yeah, you can 65 to 40 if you can make it like that, like your orders. You'll see how it works. You'll be confused, like, holy guacamole, how I'm making that much money. 25 leverage, 15% of margin, that's the trade of the century. Drift, same thing, that's my level, and you can see how hard it dipped. Avalanche still, I assume, is gonna go for another all-time high after that bullshit when we get altcoin season, hopefully soon. This is the box that I'm planning to long from, 15 to 11. You can see it is gonna take all this liquidity, all that. I checked, there is a lot of freaking stop losses here, and you can see it's gonna be dumping right there. But I want to place stop loss right here because I don't want to have my stop loss to be that far, especially getting into that cascade. Scary. F, I would say the best coin to get in terms of market cap, how it dropped, how huge investors they have, and it's a Syn Futures platform. It's a decentralized stuff, and you actually can trade there easily from almost any country, I guess even from any country. And right here you can see it's in an accumulation zone, still close to start, looking for price discovery mode. I'm expecting it to keep the range, but I don't mind if it goes lower because I'm holding from here. I added here, I added here, I will add here. That's my thing. I'm actually from here, I was expecting that to come here, and now it's here. For the NQ, if someone is interested, looks like it's gonna be going further for the sell-off, because look, it's again trapping all these longs at the top of the candle, most likely, since we are in a downtrend. If you look at that, might take liquidity from here and flush it further. That's basically it, guys, and everything is on the Telegram, by the way. There you can find how exactly trade all these setups. There is an example with Ondo, and yeah, you can't go wrong with Ondo. By the way, I don't want to scam you, and I want to show you Ondo is right here. That's my best level, that's my best coin, my favorite coin. I was painting that previously. That's the example how I'm going to trade it. On Telegram you can find everything, how to trade exactly this thing and how to make 25-100% in maybe one day. Okay guys, kisses everyone, bye bye.